and welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. So we are currently heading to a birthday party. We have to stop and get a present first. Here, down here. Oh, right there.
Is this thing one solid thing?
I don't know. Oh my gosh. Hopefully it's
Individually wrapped bars.
I'm trying to imagine the size of it. Well, I think this is 8 by 10, and then so your picture will come out just a little bit more, but there'll still be like clear glass around it. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. A red one, maybe? Okay. Let's see the card. Here's the card. Whoa.
Can you just pee from the excitement?
Buddy. So the girls are doing cupcake wars, and they all have secret ingredients they have to put in their cupcakes, and we're gonna judge on taste and also on appearance. I think they might be doing 2 rounds.
Each recipe makes a dozen, so you're gonna make a dozen cupcakes. Then the judges will determine which cupcake they like best.
This round will be graded on 3 levels. We'll be grading on creativity and appearance. We will be grading on consistency. And then we'll also be grading on flavor, and it will not just be the flavor by itself, it'll be the flavor complementing your cupcake.
Definitely, I think that you guys had a good ratio of cupcake and frosting. It was pretty good. Your creativity was good. I like the pumpkin spice on top. Looks pretty good.
So I'm gonna start off with the consistency. I feel like you guys had a little too much frosting on here, but I gotta say the creativity on this was absolutely amazing. You guys you nailed it, knocked it out of the park.
So we have here, we just did plain chocolate frosting for the top, and then we used the bacon to decorate the eyes and the nose, and we even add a little bit to the ears.
Creativity was amazing. I love the creativity on there. Even though I thought it was a dog, it still was amazing creativity.
So I did like the creativity on this. I mean, like we were saying before, like the lack of bacon in the cupcake, I was hoping for a little bit more compensation for that. But you guys did really well on this side.
So we did a buttercream frosting with a tiny bit of maple.
Alright, so right off the bat, from the first bite, the flavor was absolutely amazing. I love the flavor. The consistency was actually perfect in relation to the cupcake. I feel like you did that really, really well. The creativity was amazing. You sprinkled it perfectly around the entire cupcake. And overall, there's really no complaints I can give to this frosting. It was absolutely amazing.
I love the decorations on here. The cinnamon really, really complimented the cupcake and the frosting. It made it really good. I could definitely taste the cinnamon in there.
So we made a Nutella buttercream frosting with small white pearl and gingerbread sprinkles on top.
So I'm gonna start with the flavor. I thought you guys did a really good job bringing the Nutella back out because you did use a lot of vanilla in the first one, but I felt like the vanilla really did work well with the Nutella. I thought the creativity was really good. I guess a big downside for me was just there was so many sprinkles that was a little hard to taste the flavor.
The creativity was really good, but there was too many sprinkles. I counted 14 gingerbreads on here. The flavor of your frosting definitely brought out the Nutella flavor.
Alright, so the first 2 teams we're calling up is bacon, chocolate, and maple. The cupcakes were good. We kind of felt that the texture of the chocolate bacon could have been a little bit better. It was a little bit dry, as we were saying. We were picking up with the fork, it was kind of falling off. And the flavor was really good. Renelle said she tasted the bacon, which was really good. Maple team, it was a little bit too crunchy on the crust. It was a little overcooked. We didn't really taste your maple chips in there at all, but they kind of ended up sinking to the bottom.
All right, the winner of round 1 is the maple team.
So pumpkin team, your cupcake was extremely dense, and it was a little undercooked, and we kind of saw we saw some flour that was still in there. We felt like it could have been cooked for a little bit longer. Cream cheese frosting, we all said that the cream cheese was really, really good. We definitely love the cream cheese. Nutella team, we thought that your texture was probably one of the better ones. Cream cheese frosting, we all said that the cream cheese was really, really good.
The winner of this round is Nutella.
Thank you, pumpkin team. So Nutella and maple, this was a very, very close matchup. We definitely had a difficult time determining the winner of this one. On the frosting, I think was the ultimate decision factor for us. I mean, we were kind of looking for a lot of consistency, but I mean, really, you guys were really, really close, and it was a really tough decision. The winner is the maple team.
Clean up. This is the cleaning crew right here.
I know. Can you come to my house and do that? Look at all these clean dishes this guy did. A lot of dishes. It is a lot of dishes.
Time for day 3. Ooh, that one's pretty. Super bright, kind of hot pink color, really pretty. Here it is, next to days 1 and 2. I definitely think a striped hat or scarf is going to be super fun. Did you guys vote? I haven't read your comments from yesterday yet. I'll go check those. Want to tell us where we're going?
We're going to another hockey game.
Another hockey game. Woo! We are on game 2 of 4. Good game, Katie. Now we are stopping into Colorful Yarns because Hugh Loco's having a pop-up shop here, and I've never checked out her yarn in person. Look what I found. Legacy fiber arts. Say hi. That's Daisy. She's the store mascot. Hi. Hi. Oh, she's like, nope, not picking me up. All right, so we had so much fun in Colorful Yarns. We saw a lot of people, and we got to meet Nicole Hugh Loco, which was fun, and we also got to meet a fan. Hi, Teresa, if you're watching. It was really nice meeting you, and we got some great yarn. I'll show you guys when we get home because, you know, I'm driving. Okay, we are home, and here is my haul from Colorful Yarns Knit Shop. I always have to pick up some fun toms, and then I got some Legacy Arts kits. This one is Beetlejuice, 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 and this one is Sally. We have success. Strings going in there, behind the wall, and out through here. That was not fun. We have about 50 million holes on our ceiling now. Tell us where we're going.
Another hockey game.
Another hockey game.
Another hockey game. Zamboni driver ran out of water. So it is Jason's birthday, and so we are heading to the store because what's happening, Haley?
I need to get stuff to make his cake.
We're gonna make him a cake, and he wants tacos for dinner, so we're gonna get all of that, and we'll take you with us. Wipe, 'tis the season. Uh-oh, none of them are ready. Not good. All right, I don't like this stuff, but we're gonna have to go with it. Avocados are hard as a rock. We bring Haley so she can reach the tall stuff. So, I'm just kidding. I bring Haley because I love her. And also because she's tall. Got some apples, some bread. I think we're good. What are you doing for frosting?
I don't know yet.
You don't know yet? Well, she made a chocolate ganache.
If the chocolate ganache doesn't work out though, then I'm gonna have to use buttercream.
Well, let's see if it works out. It probably just needs to cool down, right? There we go. All right, 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dad. Happy birthday to you. Chop, chop, chop.
Bandit contributed.
Yay! Happy birthday, Daddy. You're 1 year old. It's in there.
It's amazing.
Magic.
It's a ginormous Lindor
truffles. Nice.
Things that were in that glass thing.
Thank you guys. There's only 1 calorie.
Only 1 calorie. It's fat free.
No fat, no sugar, no carbs.
What do you mean?
Here's today's tea. It's called Let It Snow. This is what it looks like. See how it tastes. Still hot. Ooh, I like that one. You don't like it?
No.
So what did it say it was supposed to taste like? This was Let It Snow.
Spiced eggnog.
Spiced eggnog. I like it.
Maybe it'll grow on me.
Yeah, take another drink because it's a little bit sweet, so maybe that's why you don't like it, but I don't think it tastes like eggnog. It just tastes like a cinnamony, not cinnamon?
I don't taste anything that I recognize.
Nuts?
Rotten.
No, it's not rotten. Try again. What does the box say it has in it?
Gross.
Oh. Read that first ingredient.
Oh gosh, canned pineapple. Yeah, I don't like pineapple.
Candied pineapple, pineapple cane sugar, citric acid.
Oh, candied pineapple.
Candied pineapple. We can't read.
Pineapple, cane sugar, citric acid.
Green tea. Pineapple. Jason hates pineapple.
All right, that explains it. It doesn't taste like pineapple, but
I think
it
it's
doesn't taste good.
I like it.
All right, no.
It's sweet though. It definitely is sweet. I don't feel like it tastes like pineapple though, so I don't know, but
No.
I guess that would make sense.
Yes.
Okay.
Disgusting. Kathleen Raquel, and actually there's a two-part question. How did you get interested in quilting and how did you learn? Also, how are you able to get your quilting projects finished so fast?
Okay. How did I get interested in quilting? I don't know. I think one day I stumbled on Missouri Quilt Stars videos and I was like, ooh, that looks like fun. I could do that. And then I just started watching a bunch of videos until I kind of felt like I had a clue. And then I tried my rag quilt, was my very first one. It's actually still one of my most watched YouTube videos. And after that, I just started, yeah, making quilts. And if I didn't know how to do something, I just looked it up on YouTube and yeah, I don't know. How do I get them done so fast? That's a good question. I'm kind of one of those people who doesn't like to let things lie around. So if I start something, I kind of have this inner drive to like finish it right away. And so when I do quilt patterns, I cut out all the pieces so that everything's ready to go. And then whenever I have a couple extra minutes in my day, I can run in there and just piece together some really quickly. And yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure if there's a good answer to that question. I just, I'm fast because I like to get things done. And I don't have a lot of time, so I don't waste it when I do.
Oh, actually, Kathleen asked another one. What is your husband Jason's favorite guy thing to do? I like to, guy things, I like to play golf, I like to hunt and fish and shoot guns and watch war movies. And
I think golf is probably your top one. When it's nice out, obviously you can't really golf right now because it's cold and snowing.
Laura K, what did you do as a professional prior to being a mama? What did I do? Well, I worked in the accounting department at a credit union. That's what I was doing when I met Jason, and I worked in the visa fraud department, catching all you criminals out there. And then I moved to IT. Yeah, and I did like QA, software tests and stuff like that. It's been so long ago you forgot. I know, it has been a long time. Right. We're gonna run out of battery. How about, what is your favorite vacation destination? That's from B. Bradley PC.
What's yours?
Mexico.
Mexico, that's a fun place to go. I would actually really like to go to Europe because we've never been over there. Well, I've never been over there, Jason has. So I think that would be really fun, but.
All right, I got a good question for you then. Hold on, where was it?
We're gonna run out of battery, dude.
Hold on, let me find, oh, there it is. Mama Dandelions, nice. I'm in Europe, I live in the UK. If you could take a trip to Europe, which places would you definitely want to have on your itinerary and why?
You?
Me? Mm-hmm. I don't know.
I definitely want to check out Italy. I would like to check out like London, Ireland.
I'd like to go to Ireland. It'd be fun. I don't know. I'm
Ireland,
not a world traveler, to be honest with you. I went for work and
we don't travel a whole lot.
I couldn't wait to get home.
We also have 6 kids, so it's ridiculously expensive to travel. So
we kind of 4 kids.
Stay local. Oh yeah, we have 4 kids, so it's kind of expensive to travel. 6 people is what I meant. Yeah.
Okay, I think that's it for tonight. We will see you guys tomorrow.
Sounds good.
Bye.
Bye.